Hello, scholars and parents. We are going to be going over our week that we have ahead of us and just kind of the concepts and things that we're going to be learning in fifth grade humanities. So I'm Mrs. Jaime.
I'm Miss Richardson.
So let's get into it so you guys know what to expect this week.
This week, we are going to be talking about reforms that are being made around the community. We're going to be talking about the constitutional amendments of the 1900s. We're going to talk about social justice for minority populations and the power of feminism.
Yeah, so lots of really great topics that we're covering. Be prepared to do do 4 square vocabulary per day. So we've kind of gone through all of our reading and we've chosen vocabulary words that you're going to really need to understand in order to boost your understanding of these topics. We're also focusing this week on cause and effect relationships. So you'll notice in our graphic organizers what we're going to be doing. And then each day you're going to have to answer some comprehension questions based off of the articles that we're reading.
And we try to tie it to the vocabulary. So when you do those vocabulary 4 squares and understand those words, your comprehension questions are going to be a lot easier to understand. Speaking of vocabulary, go for it.
So in order to understand our vocabulary, you guys are pretty familiar with our 4 squares, but we're just going to go over it so that your parents know what to expect as well. So parents, we're looking for them to define the word. We also want them to use it in a meaningful sentence. So this is a sentence that has multiple details and they're using the word correctly after they've looked it up. They can also find a picture online or draw their own to help boost their understanding. And then similar words or synonyms, we'd like for them to list a couple.
Cool. And then expect to use these graphic organizers this week. Like I said, we're identifying cause and effect relationships. So the top one displays those. And then on the bottom, we're going to be using a keynotes page as well. So those ones you are sort of familiar with as well. Do you have anything else? I think that's all.
Yeah, that's
going to be a fun week of really great empowering information. So we're excited.
Yes. So thank you guys for watching. Good luck next week. We look forward to seeing what you have learned.
Bye.
Bye.